Hi everyone, in this video I'll walk you through the code for our Almanar Optics website. This is an interactive web page where users can browse eyewear products, filter by gender, brand, or category, and even access a virtual try-on experience. Let's dive into how we structured and built it. HTML structure. Starting with HTML file, it's structured into several main sections: a header for navigation, a video background for the hero section, a filtering product and product container inside div class container, and finally a footer. Now, in the head, we included the link for the fonts and external style sheet for constant styling. I also set the fave icon using the company's logo. The navigation bar is inside a div called navbar. It includes a banner for free shipping, the site logo and name, navigation links for home and about store, and virtual try-on. I've also added a cart icon using font Awesome. For the hero section, which uses a video tag that autoplays, loops, and is muted. This gives the page a dynamic first impression. Now for the products display section, the main products are displayed in grid containers and with the ID of products, each ID. And this is where filtered products get dynamically inserted using JavaScript. There is also a separate section for eyewear accessories below the main grid using another container with ID accessories container here. And now for the footer. The footer just includes company, branding, navigation links, contact information, and social media icons. It's divided into 3 parts, and each part is vertically aligned to make it look the layout is good and for clarity. Now let's dive into the JavaScript logic. Let's talk about this script part we added in the HTML file. We stored the products data in an array called products. When the page loads, the script dynamically adds products to the container. The filter works by listening for click events on buttons when clicked. The selected filters are used to filter the products array and render only the matching items. Here, this is the script for it. And there is also a mobile toggle for filters which show and hide filter panels when clicked and make it more responsive for smaller screens. That's it for the JavaScript. When the page loads, the script dynamically adds products to the container. The filter works by listening for click events on buttons when clicked. The selected filters are used to filter the products array and render only the matching items. Here, this is the script for it. And there is also a mobile toggle for filters which show and hide filter panels when clicked and make it more responsive for smaller screens. That's it for the JavaScript. Now for the CSS file, we imported 2 fonts or add import statements that loads many Google fonts, and we used for body, for example, Lato Sans Serif, and then for general layout, we have the overflow X hidden, no margin, and we have the base font style set. We have custom scroll bar styles for WebKit and Firefox. And then for loading screens, full screen fixed overlay with background image centered content, and we have a fade out transition We also use Spinner for animation, and we have the heading 6 inside loading screen animated subtitles with fade slide up. And then for the responsiveness of the website, we used @media, and we stuck nav sections virtually, and we used also @media to adjust text size and button dimension for mobile. Finally, we have the pop-up model. Dot pop-up overlay. This dark semi-transparent background is centered align. We aligned it to the center, and then we have the pop-up container, and we used hidden for the smaller screens. And that's it for the CSS file. We have the other styling, which is similar to the ones I showed. Thank you so much for watching the walkthrough video. That's it for the coding part of our group.